This Oak Park father says his 6 and 15-year-old daughters both contracted COVID last year.
They were sick for about a day and then they recovered.
That's why Charles Reed believes access to at-home COVID test kits is crucial for many families. But he says he would never allow his kids to use a test kit unsupervised.
Just making sure that they don't get hurt while they're using it. If you don't know what you're doing, you can hurt yourself.
Medical professionals say anyone using an at-home test kit should always practice caution and pay close attention to the small liquid bottle inside the kit. That liquid is used to create the chemical reaction necessary to produce a positive or negative result.
There are some preservatives that are in the test kits. And so, for example, sodium iodide is one of them. Ingested or, put in the eye in some way, it can be detrimental. It is like a chemical that it can be harmful.
The amount of the preservative contained in the test kit is small, but doctors say a potential danger still exists.
You should keep it on a clean countertop so that there aren't a lot of things that could kind of spill over and, kind of cause issues with the test.
If the liquid gets on your skin or into your eye, make sure you clean the area immediately.
Wash your hands with soap and water. Likewise, if for any reason somehow it gets into the eye, you should wash your eye out with water for about, at least 15 minutes or so. Like if you have continued burning on the skin or in the eyes, call poison control.
Once you finish using the test kit, be mindful of where you place the contents.
It's just important to know that if you are going to do your test kit and you have the remnants of the vial, you want to make sure that you don't throw it down the sink and that you dispose of it in your trash as soon as you're finished.
Reed says he's glad to have at-home COVID test kits and hopes people use them properly and safely.
The home tests are a lot more convenient than waiting in those lines and just waiting in those lines, being around a bunch of people.
In Ferndale, Ingrid Kelly, Fox 2 News.